remove the lower door trim panel. For inspection, we'll check the condition of the paintwork underneath this trim panel and also check if it will interfere with our further treatment of the inside of the door itself with Movil or some kind of anti-corrosion agent. It's removed from the inside. There are clips that run along the contour. Basically, if you remove the speaker, you can access two of them. For removal, there's one clip here. And a little further, there's another one, and from the inside, there's another pip. It's somewhere around here. Right here, where my hand is, there's another clip here. Basically, all access to these clips is easiest through the speaker. Through the hole for the speaker. You can watch a video about removing the speaker on our channel. The main task is, on each one. On each of these clips there are two small antennae like these, which we need to somehow remove. Using a convenient tool, squeeze the clip until it comes out of its sockets. We'll try this now. Remove the outermost clip from the inside. There's no other way to access it. Ours broke the outer clip. Well, they're supposed to be disposable, so this also needs to be taken into account during this disassembly. Basically, if you start from this side, you'll have to sacrifice one clip. But it might come out just fine. Next, you can try to gently push them out of their sockets. That is, slightly to the side. So, apply a little pressure and push them sideways. Then they come out of their sockets, sideways, from left to right. Yes. Then all that's left to do is look and carefully pull them out of their sockets. Easier since they're already rotating freely. Much. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips that hold the trim at the bottom of the door. The trim consists of two parts. When removing it, the first part comes off, this one here. And here are two screws to unscrew. You will need to carefully pry up some old tape, here. One of the two, where it is easier to access, press these two antennae. The first clip came out of its position. Then each one is removed separately. This trim remains, it is removed last. Cleaning is the opposite, which means the easiest way is to immediately glue the two parts together and then simply click them into place. Tighten two screws, and the trim is immediately fully assembled. There are latches along the bottom. Click them in until they stop. We completely enclose the panel, and it's ready for installation. We install it, degrease the extra space where we'll be sticking the tape. There was tape there last time, too. Yes, tape, yeah. Yeah, I didn't add any tape, that's all. It's just like the factory one, meaning there was tape in every marked spot. Nothing extra. How do you install it correctly? We simply press on the door, making sure each clip fits into its own light. This. Then press until it clicks. And then push down on the tape until it's completely seated.